Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is 40th edition of Hunar Haat inaugurated. Recently, the Union Minister Shri Anurag Thakur inaugurated the 40th edition of Hunar Haat in Mumbai. Initiatives like Hunar Haat provide a market to India's traditional arts and crafts as well as strengthen the Self-Reliant India campaign. This event is being held at Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai from 16th to 27th April 2022. Its themes are Vocal for Local and Best from Waste. In line with the theme, it includes exquisite products made from used and discarded materials such as plastic, paper, ply, wood, wool, paddy and wheat straw, rubber, iron, brass, etc. In this edition of Hunar Haat, more than 1,000 craftsmen and artisans from all the states and union territories are showcasing a variety of goods and skills. The main attraction of Hunar Haat is Vishwakarma Vatika, in which artisans will display live demonstration of how traditional indigenous products are created. Notably, Hunar Haat acts as a credible platform to promote locally made products in the country. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.